Traxxas Rustler 4x4 MT4G5K Rock. What's up, guys? It's Sunday and it is the weekend. This is my old K-Rock. I want to show you guys a little cool thing. The interesting thing about this thing, it has some light buckets right there, which is really cool. You can set it up. It's got that kind of bluish gray charcoal looking body. Well, not really charcoal, more like grayish. And you got these type of wheels taken back from that old Team Associate kind of wheels, because they, you know, Thunder Tire and Team Associate, I think they kind of merged or something. But the interesting thing with this thing is, if you go, see, it's got the OBA, baby, the onboard audio. So that's pretty dope. That's the body with the reinforced roll bar. You got the guy inside the rig too, like he's driving, you know what I'm saying? But listen, turn it on. You could adjust that actually. So what I'm trying to say is, see, it's like running. You can turn it down, but it's interesting because it's made trigger friendly. So it's made trigger friendly. So it's based off of like how you drive it. So if I press the trigger, it like goes on like that. So that's pretty cool. This truck was badass when it came out, man. Listen to that onboard audio. I wasn't a big fan of it, but I think this thing sounds pretty mean with the onboard audio. And then if you come to a stop, check it out. See that? Damn, sounds pretty mean, but it's like it's snapping. You hear that like cold air intake like snapping. See, so it is sensitive to your trigger, and it's interesting how it does that. Watch. Oh shit. Oh shit, that's dope, dude. I'm one-handing this just to show you that. But anyways, today, random combinations. I got the K-Rock and of course my Traxxas Rustler. Let me film it up behind there running today. So we're gonna do some footage for you on that. Body's on. Bam. So there, spin around the body. It's got a wheelie bar, which works well, but it does flip really easy. As you can see, I scratched up this roll bar pretty good. You got your little driver, it says Thunder Tiger on his arm right there, as you can see. Right there. Man, damn, baby, looking good. And of course, the Traxxas 4x4 Rustler right up in here with the low center gravity chassis. Okay, let's get him running. Yeah, I hope you guys watched Vasily Lomachenko do his thing last night, beating Luke Campbell. That was a dope ass technical performance. I gotta give that young cat some credit though. Luke Campbell's a tough kid, man. He took some body shots, he hung in there, took a deep breath, and it was a dope fight. Go check out my Instagram, you'll see some of the highlights. Run them already. Damn, Traxxas, baby. Yeah. Damn, this thing looks pretty good, guys. It's got some cool onboard audio on this thing. Spinning pretty good, man. I'm easing into the throttle because this thing does wheelie like crazy. Onboard audio is pretty cool. I mean, you can hang out here and sound like you're driving real fast, but this thing does hit about 50 miles per hour. It will endo easily if I brake it hard, you know what I'm saying? It does hit about 50. Sorry about the rustler, guys. For some reason it kept cutting out. I think it's low voltage cutoff, or it's just like thermal shutdown. One or the other, I'm not sure. It can't be thermal shutdown because I just started the car up. So, but damn, that K-Rock looks pretty good running on this street, man. Just doing some quick pass by. Damn, you gotta love those long-term wheelies you got there going on. You can kind of ease into the throttle to keep it down like that too, you know what I'm saying? This trigger is very trigger friendly. Meaning, like, if you just hit it like from a standstill, it'll flip like in a second. I don't know if you guys saw one of my old videos. I was flipping this thing. It kind of reminds me of the Hobio Hyper Sport Plus MT, because it just keeps wheeling easily. But I'm really not doing that because I don't want to. You know what I mean? But I don't want to scratch it up too much. But considering all things, it's running pretty good. Damn, love that. Love it, love it, love it. Ooh, that's a brake right there, baby. Gotta love that. Woo! Keep it flat so you guys can see the 50 miles per hour there. Brake it. The onboard audio sounds pretty good. I could dig it. You know what I'm saying? There you go. That's what happens when you do it too hard. Alright, so the good thing is, see, you got this roll cage to protect the body, so the body didn't have any damage or anything like that because of this thing. And it's pretty sick because if you wanted to, you could add your customized light buckets here to make this part light up, you know what I'm saying? Or just on the top right there, you know, make it real bright. And you know, with that look, it would look freaking sick. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you watching. Sorry about the Rustler 4x4. I couldn't get any footage of that because that dang battery low voltage cutoff. I probably get my Trax batteries out or something like that. I'm not sure. But those batteries are old. You know, I've been running them for a long time. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Go grab an RC bash. It is the weekend. And I love you all. Have a great day. And thanks for watching.